Hey, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make the best purchasing decisions without wasting your hard-earned cash. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we've got the Holystone HS360S, and on the right, we have the Loiley drone. It's gonna be a battle of the skies, so buckle up and let's get started. Let's talk about the first thing that hits our wallets, the price. The Holystone HS360S is priced at $209. Yep, that's right. You could almost buy a small island for that price. Meanwhile, the Loiley drone comes in at a wallet-friendly $99. With that price difference, you could buy a Loiley drone and still have enough left over for a fancy dinner, or, some extra snacks for your Netflix binge. Next up, camera quality. The Holystone HS360S boasts a 4K UHD camera with a Galaxy Core sensor. This baby can capture stunning 3,840 by 2,160p photos and videos. Reviewers have been particularly impressed with its quality and features, making it great for both beginners and experienced pilots. On the other hand, the Loiley drone comes with an HD 1080p camera. It's good, but let's be honest, it's like comparing a blockbuster movie to a home video. Sorry, Loiley, but Holystone takes the Oscar on this one. Now, let's talk about those fancy flight features. The Holystone HS360S has GPS functions, including Return Home, Follow Me, and Waypoint Flight. It's like having a personal chauffeur in the sky. Plus, with a control range of 10,000 feet, you could practically fly it to the next town over. Reviewers love its advanced features and ease of use. Meanwhile, the Loiley drone offers one-key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, and even 360 degrees flips. It's like the acrobat of drones. But let's be real, it's more like a circus act compared to Holystone's first-class service. Battery life is crucial because nobody wants their drone to die mid-air. The Holystone HS360S gives you about 20 minutes of flight time, which is decent but not groundbreaking. The Loiley drone, however, comes with two rechargeable batteries, offering a total flight time of 25 to 30 minutes. Reviewers appreciate the extended flying time and find it very convenient. Loiley's like that friend who always brings extra snacks to the party, definitely a lifesaver. Let's get to user-friendliness. The Holystone HS360S has beginner mode, optical flow positioning, and a bunch of intelligent recording modes like spiral up and catapult. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Reviewers find it very user-friendly, even for beginners. On the flip side, the Loiley drone is super user-friendly, perfect for beginners and kids. It even has voice control and gesture selfies. So if you're looking for a drone that your little cousin can fly without crashing into a tree, Loiley's your guy. Portability is key, especially if you're always on the go. The Holystone HS360S is lightweight and doesn't require FAA registration, which is awesome. But the Loiley drone takes it up a notch. It can literally fit in your pocket. Reviewers love its compact design for outdoor adventures. It's like the James Bond of drones, always ready for action. Summing up the reviews, the Holystone HS360S is praised for its advanced features, stunning camera quality, and user-friendliness, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced pilots. On the other hand, the Loiley drone is loved for its affordability, extended battery life, and simplicity, making it perfect for beginners and casual users. So which drone should you buy? If you're looking for top-notch camera quality, advanced features, and don't mind shelling out a bit more, the Holy Stone HS360S is your go-to. But if you're on a budget, want something super portable and easy for beginners, the Loiley drone is a fantastic choice. Either way, you're getting a great drone that will elevate your aerial game. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another comparison. Drop a comment below and let us know which drone you're leaning towards. Until next time, happy flying. Product links are in the description.